Good afternoon, everyone. My first topic is today's news. In an unprecedented move, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has urged Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde to ensure that the state's judicial neutrality is maintained. In a letter addressed to Chief Justice, N.V. Raman had been influencing the sitting of the High Court, including the roster of a few judges, and cited instances of how matters important to the opposition Telugu Desam party has been allocated to a few judges, along with copies or ordered passed in a few matters. And my second news is Australian Navy divers have removed an exploded 45-kilogram bomb on a reef off the southeastern coast, and a ship towed it to deeper water because it posed a significant risk to the public. The bomb was found by a fisherman on Elizabeth Reef near Lord Howe Island, about 550 kilometers off New South Wales state. He photographed his discovery and reported it to authorities. The depth is really safe. It's not going to ever get washed back up onto the reef, senior marine parks officer John Pritchard said. My second topic is vocabulary. My first vocab is indifference. That means lack of interest, concern, or sympathy. The spelling of indifference is INDIFFERENCE. Indifference. Now I am repeating the spelling INDIFFERENCE. Indifference. Its Hindi meaning is udasinta. For example, amid growing public indifference to wear masks and avoid mass gathering, पीएम मोदी लॉन्च्ड अ जन आंदोलन कॉम्पैग्न। मास्क पहनने और सामूहिक समारोहों से बचने के लिए सार्वजनिक उदासीनता के बीच पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी ने एक जन आंदोलन अभियान शुरू किया। द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ इंडिफरेंस आर डिटैचमेंट, aloofness, coldness, disregard, etc. And the antonyms are concern, interest, regard, attention, etc. Now my second vocab is poignant. It means evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. The spelling of poignant is POIGNANT. Now I am repeating the spelling POIGNANT. Poignant. Its Hindi meaning is marmic. For example, a poignant farewell was given to the former Australia batsman डीन जॉन्स एट मेलबर्न क्रिकेट ग्राउंड। मेलबर्न क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पूर्व बल्लेबाज डीन जॉन्स को एक मार्मिक विदाई दी गई। द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ पोइनेंट आर टचिंग, सैड, पैथेटिक, पेनफुल, etc. एंड द एंटोनिम्स आर अनइमोशनल, unimpressive, numb, etc. Now my third topic is a story about encouragement. As a group of frogs was traveling through the woods, two of them fell into a deep pit. When the other frogs crowded around the pit and saw how deep it was, they told the two frogs that there was no hope left for them. However, the two frogs decided to ignore what the others were saying, and they proceeded to try and jump out of the pit. Despite their efforts, the group of frogs at the top of the pit were still saying that they should just give up, that they would never make it out. Eventually, one of the frogs took heed to what the others were saying, and he gave up, falling down to his death. The other frog continued to jump as hard as he could. Again, the crowd of frogs yelled at him to stop, the pain and just die. He jumped even harder and finally made it out. When he got out, the other frogs said, "Did you not hear us?" The frog explained that he was deaf. He thought they were encouraging him the entire time. Moral of the story is people's word can have a big effect on others' lives. Think about what you say before it comes out of your mouth. It might just be the difference between life and death. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and good evening, sir. The Lion and the Rabbit. One there was a lion in the forest which used to kill 2-3 animals daily for his meal. All animals went to him to tell their daily wants of them will come to him for him means so the lion agreed. Great. This stayed going to many days. One day it was Robert's turn. When he was on his way, he saw a wheel. Now he pulled to kill the lion and save himself. He went to lion and told him that there another lion who claimed to be more powerful him. The lion asked to Roberts to take him to that lion. The Robert take him the wheel and said he leaves her. When the lion looked in the wheel, he asked his wine fall to and jumped in the wheel and dries. Thank you, sir, and thank you, everyone.
Sir, now I got three topics: first news, second story, and third vocab. So, first, I would like to petrify the news. So, my first news is related to the BJP party about the election, related to the topic of the election time. So, the election rally in Bihar, Gaya on Sunday. This is the first public meeting by a senior leader of the party during the Bihar Assembly polls, and the Congress on Saturday formed various panels for the upcoming Bihar Assembly polls, with Party General Secretary Randeep Surjewala named chairman of the Election Management and Coordination Committee. Mohan Prakash was made the convener of the 14-member Election Management and the Coordination Committee. The panel includes senior leaders like Meera Kumar, Tariq Anwar, Saturag Sinha, and there are lots of persons which are meeting there. And the Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the physical distribution of property cards under the Swamitva schemes through video conferencing. The launch will enable around 1 lakh property holders to download their property cards through the SMS link delivered on their mobile phones. And now my second news is that secure the leadership of Bihar with Nitish JP Nadda. Because BJP chief JP Nadda said on Sunday that the Nitish Kumar government took care of the people of Bihar amid the COVID-19 pandemic and asserting that it is important that the leadership of the state is secured with him. And addressing an election rally at the historic Gandhi Maidan in Gaya, Nadda listed the development works done by the NDA government at the center in the last six years in the state. And the Nitish Kumar took care of the people during the COVID-19 pandemic, and financially assistance was also provided by the government to those outside the state, he said. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Now my second topic is vocab. So first vocab I would like to apprise in front of you. So my first vocab is that extrovert. It means that बहिमुखी, लोगों को अपनी बात खुलकर शेयर करने वाला. those boy who's near those members which share their opinions in very liberal way. There can be used in the word of the extrovert. Not telling you about the spelling of the extrovert. extrovert, extrovert. I am an extrovert person due to which I sometimes get into trouble. मैं खुल कर बोलता हूँ जिसके कारण मैं कभी कभी परेशानी में पड़ जाता हूँ. एक्सट्रोवर्ट पीपल्स आर जनरली वेरी गुड स्पीकर्स. बहिर्मुखी लोग आमतौर पर बहुत अच्छे वक्ता होते हैं. Extrovert people are generally very good speakers. And now my second word is that complimentary. If we go into the hotel or restaurant, otherwise then persons scam their workers and servants. After then say that this is your really very complimentary. Thanks for you, a gift for you. Please keep it up. So there you can be using the word of the complimentary. It means that मुफ्त या प्रशंसा के साथ मुफ्त मिला हुआ कुछ, मतलब कुछ वो लोग गिफ्ट्स या वॉचर्स if they provide you, then where you can be using the word of the complimentary. Now telling you about the spelling of the complimentary. complimentary, complimentary. And if you take an instances an example with the related of the word complimentary, I have got two complimentary tickets for the movie. मुझे फिल्म के लिए दो मुफ्त टिकट मिले. I have got two complimentary tickets for the movie. And now my second example is that this soup is complimentary for you with the meal. यह सूप भोजन के साथ आपके लिए निःशुल्क है. It means that free of cost, and they are giving you gift and free of cost. This is can be used in the word of the complimentary. Thank you guys. Thank you sir. Now my third topic is chat story. So I'd like to apprise about the friends. There are four friends of their college mates. So they were out for the partying late night and didn't study for the test which was scheduled for the next day. And in the morning they thought of a plan. It means that they are saying about the four friends which were wanted to go to enjoy their party, but next day the exam will be held on that time they thought that, and they thought of a plan कि they made themselves look dirty with grease and dirt. Then they went to a dean and said they had gone out to a wedding last night, and on their way back the tire of their car burst and they had to push the car all the way back, so they were in no conditions to taking the test. And the dean thought for a minute and said that they can have the receipt after 3 days. They thanked him and said they will be ready by that time. On the third day, they appeared before the dean. The dean said that as this was a special condition test, all four were required to sit in separate classrooms for the test, and they all are agreed as they had prepared well in the last 3 days. The test consisted of only two questions with a total of 100 points. So, moral of this story is take responsibility or you will learn your lesson, because everything you wanted to get from your responsibility. If you take any responsibility to do work, then you can achieve after them their peak, otherwise no. Thank you guys. Thank you sir.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, all of you guys. My story name is The Lion and the Boar. It was a hot summer day. A lion and a boar reached a small water body for a drink. They began arguing and fighting about who should drink first. After a while, they are tired and stop for breath. When they notice vultures above, soon they realize that the vultures and waiting for one or both of them to fall to feast on them. The lion and the boar then decide that it was best to make up and be friends, then fight and become food for vultures. They drink the water together and go their ways after. The moral of this story: those who strive are often watched by others to take advantage of their defeat. Thank you. Now to the my second topic is vocabulary. My word is piping hot. Piping hot means garma garam. PIPINGHOT. Piping hot means garma garam. Synonym is steaming. STEAMING. Antonym freezing. FREEZING. Example: I love drinking piping hot coffee. मुझे गर्मा गर्म कॉफ़ी पीना बहुत पसंद है. My next example is serve the piping hot coffee. Sorry, serve the piping hot food. गर्मा गर्म खाना परोस दो. Thank you.
Hello sir, hello everyone. Today's my short story topic is the lion and the rabbit. Once there was a lion in the jungle who used to kill 2-3 animals daily for his meal. All animals went to him to tell that daily one of them will come to him for his meal. So the lion agreed and he started to going for many days. One day he was rabbit's turn. When he was on his way he saw a whale. Now he plans to kill the lion and save himself. He went to lion and told him that there is another lion who claims to be more powerful than him. Then lion asks the rabbit to take him to that lion. The rabbit takes him to the well and said he lives here. When the lion looked in the well, he saw his own reflection and jumped in the well and dies. The moral thing is wisdom wins might.
Good evening, everyone. My topic name is The Fox Without Jail. Once there was a fox. Unfortunately, one day he was caught in a trap. He tried to come out of the trap. When he came out, he lost his trail. He felt ashamed of it. He did not like to appear before his friends. The the fox was cunning. He thought of a plan to appear in front of his friends. As he found his friends, he said that the foxes in other places do not have tails. Therefore, he had cut off his tail. He said it is better not to have tails. It is more comfortable, he added. It is fashionable not to have a tail. The other foxes did not believe in him. They simply laughed at him. They refused to cut off their tails. The fox felt ashamed of when his trick failed.
Now my second is versatile. VERSATILE means बहुमुखी या फिर अनेक कामों में योग means capable of doing many things. Synonym adaptable, multi-talented, multi-skilled, flexible. Antonym inflexible, incapable. For versatile examples, Tiger Shroff is versatile actor. He can dance, act, and stunt. टाइगर श्रॉफ बहुमुखी अभिनेता व नृत्य अभिनय स्टंट कर सकता है. दिस मशीन इज अमेजिंगली वर्सटाइल. यह मशीन आश्चर्यजनक रूप से बहुमुखी है. द पोटैटो इज एन एक्सट्रीमली वर्सटाइल वेजिटेबल. आलू एक अत्यंत बहुमुखी सब्जी है. दिस versatile tool has a number of different uses in home. इस बहुमुखी उपकरण का घर में विभिन्न उपयोग है. He is versatile student. वह बहुत से कामों को करने योग्य वाला छात्र है. Your versatility makes you different from others. आपकी बहुत सारी प्रश्नों को करने की योग्यता आपको औरों से अलग बनाती है।
My second topic name is vocabulary. My word name is extensive. EXTENSIVE, मतलब कि व्यापक। व्यापक मतलब बहुत बड़ा, लंबा चौड़ा। एग्जाम्पल, हर नॉलेज ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट इज एक्सटेंसिव। इन हिंदी, विषय का उसका ज्ञान व्यापक है, मतलब बहुत बड़ा है।